Hello everyone. Today we are going to derive a cube plus b cube theoretically. Means how we are going to add two cubes which may differ in sizes. This is also an algebraic identity. Basically a cube plus b cube is here the representation of the algebraic identity or an algebraic formula. It's same like we have derived before a plus b whole cube, and we have done that geometrically as well as we have done that theoretically. So same we are going to do here, that we are going to add here the two cubes which may differ in sizes. Okay, see here. We have a cube plus b cube means the sum of two cubes that we want to derive here theoretically. And I think so most of the people have learned this identity as a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square. But I think so learning in mathematics is quite boring, and I think so that is not long lasting as well. So there must be a way through which we can learn these things for the long period of time and which are interesting for us. So here we are going to derive this formula. We are not going to learn this formula. If sometime you forget, then you can easily derive and you can apply these in the sums. So here, well, let me have here the two cubes which may differ in sizes. One is the a cube and the other is the b cube. So the larger cube has the volume a cube, the smaller cube has the volume b cube. And you know well that how we can find this volume, because each side of the cube has is equal to a. So when we are going to find its volume, so according to the formula of the volume, side multiply side, we'll get here a cube. Same like this, the smaller cube has the sides b. So by using the formula of the volume b into b, we will have here b cube. So in the next step, we are going to add both these cubes. Yes, see, basically this is now a cube plus b cube geometrically. And why we are going to add them, why we are not subtracting them, or why we are not taking their product, because we are going to derive this identity, that is the sum of two cubes. We are not going to derive any other difference on product. We are going to derive the sum of the two cubes, and for this purpose we are going to add both these cubes, as one is the a cube, we have taken that previously, and one is the b cube. So when we will add them, how we will get that algebraic expression which will help us in solving the sums. Yes, you can see here that this is the previous identity we have used, a plus b whole cube, and now again we are going to use this identity to derive our new formula. And how we are going to do this, you can see here that this is now a cube plus b cube that we are going to derive, and for this purpose we will transpose plus 3ab into a plus b on the other side, and then you can see the two yellow terms, we will take here the common a plus b, and inside we are left with a plus b whole square minus 3ab. Then in the next step, we will just open this a plus b whole square as a square plus 2ab plus b square, and then we will add here the two, or we will simplify here the two like terms, and then we will get the identity that is equal to a cube plus b cube.